Hi guys! New day, new vlog. So for today's video is magmumukbang breakfast tayo with my Chinita princess and daddy's online.
I'm a bunny.
So now, papakita ko sa inyo yung breakfast namin. Kakatapos ko lang magluto at kakain na tayo. See? So, ito yung food namin. Meron kaming 3 hotdog. May eggplant na fried. May sunny-side up na egg. May mangga tayo for dessert. At meron tayong adobo, yung ulam namin kahapon. At meron din tayong black rice. So, lagi ko nilalagyan ng cross para pang-blessing. At meron akong hot choco. At Sandra also have hot milk.
Hot milk.
Yes, ito yung breakfast namin ngayong araw na to. Good morning, everyone!
Morning, everyone. I'm gonna
So, it's up. I'm gonna cut this away. Ay! Stay down. Okay, like that. Move here. Pero it's up na. Let's pause first. Because I'm gonna cut it. Okay guys, so ito na, mag-start na tayo magmukbang ng breakfast. So let's start. So start natin gagawin
I'm
ko
gonna
ng
get some
kanin.
eggs.
So black rice yung kanin namin ngayon. Normally black rice yung kinakain talaga namin.
I really like sunny.
It's more healthier kasi pag black rice.
I like this sunny up.
Sunny side up.
Yes.
Yes.
But I like more the omelet. Got egg.
Tabs. But can you get that? The hot sauce there?
Why do you really like that?
I don't know.
And you try to get this.
Maybe na. Late na kami nag-breakfast. Time check is 10:35 in the morning. Yeah, 10:35 in the morning. Late na kami nakatulog. Late ko din nagising. Very good. So, one for me, one for you. Tapos, darling. Yung ulam namin kahapon na adobo. Yung pa rin ang ulam namin ngayon. Dinala na namin itong adobo kahapon dun sa boulevard.
Mom, can you cut this? I don't want the edge.
No, no, no.
I only want like the white, not the edge.
No, no, wait.
But you're taking it from me. Where's my other one?
Talong. Kung kumakain ako ng talong, tatanatan ko yung balat. Ayoko ng balat. Allergy ako sa balat. Parang na-overcook ko yung ano. Pagkalitan. Please.
Give me more.
Sarap. Sarap yung talong Tabson. Ba may sa talong? Tapos lagyan mo lang ganito. Tignan mo.
kind of spicy.
Yung water. Matinido naman, pero parang masarap pag kumain pag nakakain ng kamay mo.
Sarap yan pag kamay din.
Egg plus rice.
Habang. Adobo. Pork adobo.
Look at one sausage.
Sa Pilipino po talaga nakakaganang kumain.
Yeah.
No?
Comfort food mostly.
Siyang ano ba? Yung hindi nakakasawa.
No more breakfast time.
Okay? Ano? Ano yan?
Ano? Bubutin ako yan mamaya.
Did you put a little bit?
Awas yung pagko ko. Alis your rate. And out of 10? Wow. How about the mochi?
9.5.
9.5? is missing 0.5. Why is not 10?
Because the powder, it was cacao, but it tastes like coffee.
It's bitter.
Ayun guys, yun yung pagkain namin ngayong araw na to. Thank you for watching everyone.